The cost of shares in Royal Mail will be announced later on tonight after speculation that the government sell-off has underestimated the value of the company. It's thought the price will be set at more than £3 after huge public interest in the sale. Cordelia Lynch is in the city for us tonight. So, Cordelia, talk us through what we can expect.
Well, there has been intense speculation, Emma, both here in the city and in homes across the country, because 700,000 people applied for shares in Royal Mail, far more than the government was expecting, and that's thought to have pushed up the price of shares. And it's very controversial privatisation because, of course, we, the taxpayers, have spent the past 6 years trying to improve the Royal Mail and increase its profits. But the detail hasn't yet leaked out of the city. We were expecting at 4:30 when the stock market closed to find out the price and, of course, the winners and losers of this privatisation. But at the moment, we, like the analysts, are having to speculate. There is talk of the price of shares sitting at £3.30, again more than expected. Now, the government has insisted that the smaller investors, who they refer to as Mrs. Miggins, will benefit, that those that have small amounts of savings, who have invested in a small stake of Royal Mail, won't be forgotten, and that the big investors who have put in more than £10,000 will lose out. What we don't know yet is about all those in between, and that is a massive group of people that analysts and us are just waiting in the next few minutes to see the detail on.
But certainly we know that they're very much oversubscribed by about 7 times. So there's a good possibility that maybe the retail investor will get preference to the larger investors like the institutions. And this has been something that has been somewhat promised by the business minister, Michael Fallon. So what we could expect to see is those who have asked for £750 worth of shares will actually receive that. Those who asked for maybe £5,000 worth of shares will receive their full 750 and maybe percentage of the premium on top of that.
Well, some trading is expected tomorrow, but full trading isn't due to start till Tuesday next week. And then we will see if the government has indeed undervalued Royal Mail. And there still is, here in the city, a very real fear, and in those at home, that they have undervalued it, and it'll be the big city banks and the hedge funds that make a killing here.
OK, Cordelia, thank you very much.